Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. This is your host, Bo. Lindy and the kids are at school and work today. Turkeys are going crazy today. What are you saying? They're getting big. You'd think they're starving the way they go after that fresh grain, but they still had stuff from yesterday. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna run into town. I gotta run by Tractor Supply and get a few supplies for the new animal that is coming. I'll give you a hint. I'm going to be going and getting some electric fencing. And right about there, I'm gonna split that pin. So probably a third of the pin is gonna be for this new animal. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a single strand of electric wire. Should be enough to hold it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do. And Lindy didn't bring a lunch today, so she wants Subway, so I'm headed to Subway. I'm gonna get her some lunch. I'm gonna run by Tractor Supply. And just got a few errands to run. And I'll come back and finish taking care of the animals. I'm gonna get my shop light hung up today. So yeah, should be good to go. All right, guys, I just got back in from town. Lindy's happy. I forgot about these things. Maybe I told you. I don't know, but I got my lights in, my LED lights for the shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those real quick so I can roll these doors down and get some lights in here. My buddy Jared will be here in a little bit. We're gonna do the outside light. He needs some help with that. So yeah, this puppy should be lit here before too long. So these things aren't expensive at all. My brother-in-law has quite a few of these in his shop, and they do really well. They're really bright. I will leave a link in the description below, Amazon link for these. You get 6 of these for like 43 or 46 bucks. And if you go to Lock Supply here locally and buy some similar to this, these 4-foot bars, they're like 30 something bucks each. So I saved a ton of money. But I did go local first and see if they could come close. They couldn't, so I had to order off Amazon. Let's try one out. You may not be able to see it, but that's actually pretty bright. So this is just one row of 4 that I got installed. Is that crazy? That's just one row. I got 3 more to do. It's gonna be so bright in here. Now you can see why I recommend these LEDs. There's 6 of these bad boys for 40 bucks. And they just daisy chain together like that. So yeah. Should be super bright here in about an hour. I'll show you guys some more here shortly. All right, you've seen it with 1. Now this is with 2. 2 would probably be all I need, but go big or go home, right? So I'm gonna put every other one really. So you see they're on that one. And then they'll be on that one, and then they'll be on that one. So this whole shop should be lit up pretty well. I'm gonna open these doors back up now though. I had to shut them to do the ones right above it. All right, let's take a break from doing all this work. Let's go check on the goats. See if the chickens went out for a little bit. See what Thor's up to. Might get them a cup full of feed. I've been meaning to go back by my in-laws' house and get the bowls for them. I just keep forgetting. What's up, ladies? What's up, ladies? They're fattening up. They have got all kinds of stuff to eat here. Let's see if these hens want out. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Oh, there goes Miss Dutch. Thor! Thor! Come here, boy. Come on, buddy. You ladies better stay in there. Layla ain't so nice. Layla might get you. I'm just telling you. I don't want no back talk. Hey. Thank you. Hi. Hi. All right, I'm going to show you a little bit what I got at Tractor Supply for the pen, what we're going to use to kind of divide it. And yeah, you can see we got a lot of cloud cover today. We got a little bit of rain coming in from that hurricane there. If you guys would, I have a pastor friend, brother that lives and pastors in Port Arthur, Texas, which I know they took a pretty direct hit. I just went to my mom's house a while ago, and they had it pulled up on the news, actually, Port Arthur, Texas, and it showed just devastation, and I mean, stuff was tore up everywhere. I texted him late last night. I haven't heard back from him yet, so just be in prayer for him and his family and his church, that no one would get hurt, that his facility and buildings would be preserved, and his overall safety for him and his family. So if you guys could do that, that'd be awesome. What I have here, I'm going to power this electric fence by this solar panel. It says 5 miles electric fence controller. So we'll see. You can see, I'll give you a hint. One of those 5 is what we're getting. Got raindrops coming in now. But yeah, I got this. Try to divide that a little bit. I don't want what we're getting to get in against that turkey pen. Here's another hint. To get in against that turkey pen and chicken pen and knock it over, knock that netting loose or any of that. So I'm going to try to put a divider up there where he can't get that close. Where it can't get that close. Oh! So, yeah, I got this. I got a little fence gate maker. I got some hangers, and I got a roll of galvanized electric fence. But that will be for another video. I just wanted guys to give you a heads up. We're going to do some solar powering here on the homestead to do this electric fence. It's so far away from the house over there. I don't want extension cords ran out, and I don't want to have to run a wire over there. So hopefully off that corner post right there, it'll get enough sun to power up. Fingers crossed. If not, I'll have to build some kind of battery box over there and get some deep cycle marine batteries to run it, and just charge it periodically, at least until it learns what that wire is and it starts staying away from it. Then I can probably, unhook it. But hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. I'm pretty much done in the shop today. I went ahead and instead of doing 3 rows of 3, they were off-centered a little bit and it was really bugging me. So I redid it and I put 4 across this one and 4 across this one. And I actually have enough to do that last row, but you can see my truck's in the way. So I got to get it moved before I can finish putting those lights in. But it's going on 3 o'clock. Kids should be here anytime. I'm gonna go in and get cooled off and wait on them to get home. Then Hunter's got practice tonight. So yeah, I put in a full day. And 5M Family Homestead, if you haven't checked them out again, I wore their hat today. I didn't want to wear it the other day because I knew I'd be sweating like a whole lot. And it's a really nice, I like the colors scheme on it and everything. I didn't want to get sweat stains all in it. I was actually talking to Cassie about that today. I saw her when I took Lindy lunch, and yeah, but I went ahead and wore it today because I didn't anticipate sweating too much, but I did, but I took it off when I was working. So yeah, go check them out. I'll put a link to their channel in the description below. 5M Family Homestead. So all right, thanks guys, and God bless.